उत्कल किशोरी डॉक्टर हरेकृष्ण महताब को 125तम जन्मवार्षिकी नुआदिल्ली विज्ञान भवन परिसर में महासमारोह में पालन करुछंती केंद्र सरकार मुख्य अतिथि भावे एथिरे जोग देइछंती राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू एथिसह मुख्यमंत्री मोहन चरण माझी केंद्र संस्कृति मंत्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत केंद्र मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान
paying homage to one of the greatest freedom fighters and stalwarts of our nation. Ma'am, you represent the entire nation, and your presence here has added glory to us and made this program truly a national function. I thank Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji, Honorable Union Culture Minister Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, and Honorable Union Minister Education Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji for making this national level commemorative event possible, celebrating the birth anniversary of Dr. Mohtab, one of the makers of modern India and founders of modern Odisha. Dr. Mohtab was a statesman, a visionary, a genius political thinker, and a strategist. He was a mentor to numerous young leaders who later became big names in Odisha politics. Besides his contributions to politics, he inspired a generation of Odia writers and journalists. During his heyday, he was the ultimate guru and guide of aspiring leaders, journalists, and writers. Today, the Odia, as we see today, is a reflection of Dr. Mohtab's immense contributions. He led Odisha during the crucial time of independence. He was the last Prime Minister of Odisha and the first Chief Minister of Odisha. As we know, Sardar Patel's genius and effort shaped integrated integration of the former princely states with India. Likewise, Dr. Mohtab was the Sardar Patel of Odisha, who ensured merger the 26 princely states with Odisha. He has been the cynosure of solidarity and responsive administration by dint of his dedicated deeds for the state of Odisha as well as our nation during the transition phase of our progress. He truly steered the engine of progress with his rare exhibition of outlook and accountability for the people. After the passing of the foremost patriot and tallest freedom fighter of Odisha, Utkalamani Gopabandhu Das, the baton was passed to Dr. Mohtab, who became soul of freedom movement in Odisha. He was nominated to Congress Working Committee in 1938 by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was arrested in Ahmednagar Fort among the likes of Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Maulana Azad, and many top leaders at that time. His strong faith in values often guided him to choose a new path when he felt the direction of the existing path was wrong. He was arrested in 1975 for opposing the brutalities and slave-like treatment of the then infamous Congress government to press public and public leaders during the emergency. His lifetime association with Congress ended with the anti-people policies of the government led by Srimati Indira Gandhi. His contribution to development of Odisha is immense. Prominent among them are the establishment of Hirakud Dam and the decision to shift the state capital to Bhubaneswar. Both are mark of a visionary leader. These are glorious chapter of his eventful life, who had the ability to transform stone into milestones. While Hirakud Dam became the fulcrum of state's food and power needs, Bhubaneswar has become a epitome of sustainable development among the state capitals of India. His massive contributions to the growth of Indian language, Oriya language and literature will never be forgotten. He instituted Prajatantra Prachar Samiti and inspired innumerable young and child writers. His Prajatantra was a launchpad for young journalists and writers. His Ga Majlis, a regular column in Prajatantra, was a running guide for government and society to bring socio-economic changes in those times. It was then a living socio-economic history of Odisha. Today, 37 years after his passing, the nation is now ready to pay tributes to him for his value vision, sacrifice and innovative deeds that glorified the Utkal Kesari with a lion's heart and heroes. For a long period, we were only engaged in recognizing the contributions of only one family. It happens throughout the country. It also happened in Odisha. Just as the Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji changed all this, we now know the contributions of many more national heroes than that of only one family. Now, in Odia too, we are ready to worship all our heroes who made significant contributions to the nation building. We will go for a year-long celebration of the birth anniversary of Utkal Kesari, Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab, in a befitting manner.